to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see by the title, I am very excited because we are doing a massive Missguided haul. Now, I am really especially excited for this one because you guys know I personally love Missguided. I shop on there so much, and they actually got in touch with me and said, hey, do you want to like collab on a video? And I was like, well, obviously. So that is why I am here, and I'm bringing you guys a little haul, well, big haul, basically all about like transitioning pieces into autumn, especially for like back to school, back to college, back to uni, that kind of thing. I feel like all of the clothing pieces I picked up will be perfect for like freshers as well, because I feel like we are now in autumn. We all need a little bit of a refresh and revamp to our wardrobe. So I really hope you guys enjoy, and I'm sure you'll love all of the pieces I picked up. Also, I do have a little bit of a discount code for you guys, so I'll link it down below in the description. So if you guys like any of the pieces I'm about to show you, then you know, your girl's got you. You can make a bit of a saving. But that is enough rambling. Without further ado, let's get on into the video because I've got quite a lot to show you. So this is my gigantic Missguided bag. Wow. Okay, so I've kind of split everything into little categories because I feel like I've got so many things to show you and I need some kind of structure to this video. So first up, I'm going to show you guys some jumpers and knit sweaters and just kind of like casual but really comfy and also stylish things to wear when you just want to be comfy and not really care about your outfit too much, but you still want to look kind of cute. So the first thing I got is this amazing jumper dress that says New York City on it, and I just love this. I feel like jumpers like this are so easy to wear. Literally, you can just pair them with some trainers, or if you want to spice it up a little bit, you can wear some thigh-high boots or something. But I just love this, and I feel like jumpers like this always remind me of Ariana Grande. I don't know what it is, but she always looks cute in things like this. So yeah, it is super oversized. You could totally wear this to college, university, literally anywhere, and pretty much feel like you're in pajamas. To be honest, this kind of thing is just so cozy. I love it. The next thing I got is a knit kind of crop jumper. It's kind of similar to what I'm wearing right now, but different color. I love this pale pink, like pastel-y peachy sort of color. It's just so on trend right now, and I just love the knit pattern of it as well. Like, it's got it all down the sleeves and down the front. This is in a really nice V-neck shape, which I don't wear enough. I mean, I'm wearing it today, but I actually mostly wear round neck jumpers. So this is a really nice switch up. I can just tell I'm gonna be so cozy in this. It's such a nice fabric. It's really, really soft. And because this is cropped, I feel like it's not gonna like swamp you with, you know, so much fabric and so much material because, you know, it's cropped. So you'll be able to wear some cool high-waisted jeans underneath and pair it like that. And the last jumper I picked up is another cropped one. Now, I really love this on the website and on the model. It looked amazing, and I don't really know what it says. If anyone knows what this says, please let me know. I would love to know. But I just thought this was really cute. It's very simplistic, and yeah, really liked it. The material's really soft too, and it's kind of got like a fleecy lining as well, so perfect for autumn. Again, it's cropped, so same thing with the jeans. You'll be able to wear some high-waisted jeans underneath, and it just look really cute. Autumn just calls for a new coat, so I got quite a few coats in this haul. I'm not gonna lie, I am a little bit of a coat hoarder. I never used to be like this, to be honest, but it honestly just changes up your outfit so much, especially in the autumn and winter seasons, because, you know, you want to cover up with a coat, and a lot of the time your outfit just goes so unnoticed when you just cover up with a coat. So since I've realized that, I've always been really into coats. So the one I got for this year is this one right here. So this is like a Borg, I think that's what it's called, kind of like a teddy bear lined coat. It's got the teddy bear collar, and let me just unbutton it for you so you can see. It's also got it all the way inside the coat, which I can just tell is gonna be so warm. And the reason why I really like this one is because it's actually denim on the outside. It's not like your typical denim color, but it's still really, really cool. It's got a few rips on the sleeves as well. And literally, you guys should feel the weight of this. Like, you can tell the fabric is really thick and is gonna keep you warm. I then picked up another coat because, like I just said, you cannot have enough coats. So the next one I got is this one. So this is kind of like a faux leather, grained leather kind of thing, and it's also got a hood, which is amazing because, I mean, in the UK it rains all the time, especially in autumn, so I am so gonna be prepared. And again, it's lined with the kind of like teddy bear fabric all the way inside, which is amazing. It's got a zipper, and I got this slightly more oversized so that you'd get that like boyfriend sort of fit. So that is that. I am obsessed with this. Like, I'm literally gonna be wearing this every day. And the very last coat I am sorry guys, literally coat overload is this one. Now, this is literally full teddy bear. Like, I just wanted to feel like a teddy bear, so I got a full teddy bear coat. This one has a zipper and, you know, luckily it's actually not lined with the teddy bear fabric because I feel like that would just be way too warm. So I really love this color. Let's just talk about that for a sec. I don't ever see this color on coats. So when I saw this, it just really caught my eye. I thought it was really unique. And yeah, again, that kind of like pastel pink sort of color, which is perfect. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you guys is some shoes. I actually went a little bit shoe mad and I picked up 3 different pairs, which I am obsessed with. So the first pair is this, and I am literally in love. Like, I cannot express to you guys how much I love these shoes. Are you guys ready for this? Are you ready? Ah! These are amazing. I love sock boots, and when I saw these, I was like, how are they? They literally look like something that, you know, you could find in Yeezy or something. The thing I find surprising about shoes like this is how comfortable they are. Like, literally, you just feel like you're wearing a sock, because I mean, it is a sock. I just find these so comfy to walk in, so I am really, really liking these. I then have another pair, which again, I am obsessed with. I've actually wanted shoes like this for a long time, but I can never find cute ones. So these are the shoes. Now, I kind of feel like maybe some of you will think they're a little bit not really my style, but this is the thing. These are like trekking boots, I guess. I go on a lot of like camping trips and, you know, walking and things like that. And I have literally the most ugliest walking boots that you could see on the planet Earth, to be fair. So when I saw these, I was like, I need them. These are so my color aesthetic, and I feel like I don't just have to wear them for walking. I'm pretty sure that's not even what they're meant for. And the last pair of shoes is basically just a pair of nude thigh-high boots, which look like this. I actually only own black ones, so I feel like these are way overdue in my wardrobe, to be honest. I then got some really cool like oversized shirts that you could probably almost wear as like a shirt dress. So the first one I got is this one. It is literally humongous. I literally find wearing shirts like way oversized so cozy. You don't have to worry about being restricted by fabric. And let's be honest, some days you want to dress slouchy but still look kind of cute. And I love the color of this as well. It kind of reminds me of the color scheme of like Yeezy clothing. Do you guys see that? I then picked up an actual shirt dress. So this is it. And again, it's got that slight oversize to it. It actually has a zipper, this one, which I think is a really cool little detail. It goes quite low down. I think this probably will go up to my knee. And again, fabric is really nice, really stretchy and super comfy. So I am definitely gonna be like lounging around in the house in this. Now, autumn is all about plaid, I feel like, and I actually don't really own any plaid shirts. So when I saw this, I just thought this is a really cute shirt that I definitely can make work in my wardrobe. I feel like some plaid can be a little bit intimidating, especially if it's red and you're not really a person that wears color. So when I saw this, I was like, this is literally perfect because I'm such a monochrome person most of the time. I think this would be a really nice shirt to wear with maybe like a crop top or something underneath, not buttoned all the way up like this. This next one I got in mind with maybe like a party. You know, sometimes you get invited to a party, you don't really know what to wear. Sometimes they say, you know, it's like casual but smart. So I was like, I literally don't know what that means. So I was on a search for a casual smart sort of outfit to wear for these occasions, and I found this, which I just fell in love with. So it's basically like a play suit, but it kind of looks like a suit, but not. Like, I just thought this was really cute, really wearable. I love the color of it. And I thought this would be perfect for like those occasions where you don't really know what to wear. So I got this. Now, if you know me, you will know that I literally never dress up when I'm at home. I just want to stay comfy and just find the most comfiest clothes I can wear. But I sometimes just feel bad that I don't put any effort in when I'm at home. So I kind of was on a search for maybe some like cool loungewear that I could wear that's still comfy but cute, and that is when I found this, and I was like, that's going straight in my basket. So this is basically like a jogger play suit. Like, it's literally made out of jogger kind of fabric. So when I found this, I was like, that is it. This is what I've been looking for. Does that make you think of the High School Musical lyrics? Because I loved High School Musical. Now, for those of you who want to be a little bit more extra, a little bit more baddie, but still, you know, kind of comfy, I guess, I thought this would be perfect for you guys. So this is literally just like a pinstripe black and white shirt dress. It goes all the way down, as you can see, and it just says princess on it, which is such a mood because, you know, we're all princesses. And this is kind of made of like this slinky, like, I don't even know how to describe this, but it's such a nice fabric. It's really like soft. Now, the next item I got is a little bodycon ribbed dress. This is what it looks like, and I just love it. I love how simple it is, how wearable it is. You could dress this up with like a jacket, with some heels, literally anything. And the very last outfit I want to show you guys is kind of cute, but also really comfy. So the first thing is this little Bardo ribbed top. So it's got like long sleeves, it's frilly at the top and also at the bottom, which is so cute. And to kind of go with that, I thought, you know, screw jeans, I'm gonna go for joggers. So I found these adorable joggers. So these are literally like plush fabric. Like, honestly, I wanna live in these. They have a stretchy waistband and they go all the way down and cinch in at the ankles. And I mean, you would never think to pair this outfit together, but it is cute. And I just love how comfy it is as well, so I am in. So that is everything for this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed and found some cool pieces that you like as well, and maybe potentially want to buy to kind of spice up your wardrobe a little bit this season. I am so glad with everything I bought because, again, like I say, I just love Missguided. I always shop on there and everything is so inexpensive, but they always have things that are on trend and, you know, keep up with the fast-paced fashion world. Like I said, I do have a little discount code for you guys, so if you guys do want to pick up any of the things I have showed you in this video, I'll link it down below. But that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.